Let me show you how to solve this interesting math question on the board. The question says, in how many ways can an ant return home from point A by following the direction of the arrows? And these are the arrows given. This is point A where the ant is starting from. And this is the home of the ant. So we are now asked, in how many ways can this ant follow through these arrows to get to its home? To answer this question correctly, I'm going to show you two ways you can get the answer to this question. The first method is this. This is point A. Remember, we are following the arrows. This is point A, the starting point of the ant. This ant can decide to pass through this way, following this arrow, and pass through this way and get to this point C. Can decide to pass from this way and get to this point C. And can also decide to pass like this and get to this point C. This ant has to get to this point C first before it can pass another direction. So from this point A to point C, how many ways can this ant follow through the arrows? The ant can decide to pass here, 1, can decide to pass like this, 2, can decide to pass like this, 3. So here we have 3. Then times from this point C, how many ways can this ant move from this point C to its home? Can decide to follow here, 1, decide to pass like this, 2, and like this, 3. So we have 3 times 3, and that will give us 9 ways. This is the answer to this question. Now I'm going to show you another way you can get the answer. If you want to solve it the other way around, this ant can decide to move from this point, can decide to pass like this and get to its home. That's 1. And decide to pass like this, 2. And decide to pass like this, 3. And decide to pass like this, 4. Straight like this, 5. Like this, 6. And decide to pass here, 7. Like this, 8. And finally like this, 9. So you still get the same 9 ways.